I learned how to invest in property to replace my income. I can teach you how to do it too. Hello, 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 and welcome. My name is Neil Stewart, founder of Clever Property Investing. I've been investing in property for over 25 years now, and I've gained a wealth of knowledge and experience in that time. For the last 10 years, I've been teaching others how to invest in property and using that wealth and knowledge to help them succeed with their goals and their objectives. There are multiple reasons why you might want to get involved in property investing. And one of those reasons is that you might not be enjoying the job, or you might be a business owner that you're not enjoying working in your business, or you may be self-employed that you're not enjoying it. And you want to replace the income that you've got right now with income from property. It's exactly what some of my clients do. One of my clients, for example, has just secured two properties that are two flats in each properties. That's four flats altogether, and that's going to generate her £900 a month cash flow or money in her pocket after all her bills and expenses at the end of the month. And that's perfect, and she's well on her way to where she wants to be. Other reasons you might want to get involved in property are you might want to create a pension pot, or you might want to have something for your family to leave to. These are all reasons that you can do and you can do in property. With pension pots, for example, you need to have to think about tax implications. We have amazing tax advisors that help you with us, that will teach you how to do it properly and to minimize the tax and how to leave things down. Now, there are multiple ways you can invest in property and multiple ways to buy property. For example, you might want to buy at auction. You might want to buy directly from an agent. You may want to buy off market, things that aren't actually advertised on Rightmove. And some of the best deals you can get are the ones that you negotiate the best. You may struggle with negotiating. That's one of the biggest things people do have a challenge with, is negotiating price, maybe with agents or directly with vendors. And some of the people that I work with find that one of the hardest things to do. But you know what? When they crack it, they get the best deals, and they are the greatest negotiators I can find. So if you want to get involved investing in property and you want to come on board with Clever Property Investing's mentoring, coaching and training program, click the link below or get in touch with me via neil@cleverpropertyinvesting.co.uk.